Hi lovelies, hi family members, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to properly trim and shape your eyebrows to have them looking sleek for your makeup. Before I started, I made sure I put baby oil on my face to moisturize my face and make the shaving easy for me. We are going to need a spoolie brush, a razor blade, and some tissue papers to clean the shaved hairs off. So to clean the upper part of your brows, you make sure you brush your natural eyebrows downwards, and then you pull your forehead skin to make the skin taut, to make the shaving very easy. Hold your razor blade against the skin as shown in the video and follow your natural eyebrow shape whilst shaving the hair downwards. Make sure you clean with a tissue paper to reveal the places that have not been shaved well. So when you're done, you make sure you brush the hair upwards and then you cut off the excess hair as shown. Make sure you do this gently and make sure you don't cut into any bulging pimple on your face whilst you are doing this. Follow your natural eyebrow shape whilst you are doing this as well. When you are done with the upper part, in order to clean the lower part, you make sure you brush your hair upwards again. And then pull your skin, making it taut. Holding the blade against your skin as shown, clean the lower side of your eyebrows, following your natural eyebrow shape, and there you have it. I personally don't have a lot of brows, but we still have to keep it looking sleek for our makeup. So there you have it. See the difference between how it used to look before and now? Yes, that is how you shave your eyebrows and shape it very well. So we are going to repeat these steps as described for the other side as well. Gently shave it and make sure you follow your natural eyebrow shape in doing so. So when you are done, make sure you brush it upwards and compare the two. Do your finishing touches and cleaning in case you think there are places that need to be cleaned as well. And this is how you have it. Sleek eyebrows as shown. So this is the before and the after. Yes, there you have it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Feel free to follow me on my social media platform. Let's connect, and I'll see you in my next video.